Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 1999 Ford Laser LXI hatch, stock reference number 5528. The shape runs from the second month 1999 through to the 9th month 2002. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right corner lamp, tidy front bumper cover, left headlight, left corner lamp. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front door has no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right front door has no damage, and a right manual door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, manual window regs. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, tape deck, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel.